First class is going in here at Eustace in Tavares, Florida. We got Tristan putting here is QS1. There's quite a few boats in this class. This is one of the bigger classes. I think there's 40 people overall for all the classes that signed up. They're expecting a pretty good turnout for the spectators. The park for the spectators is pretty sweet. It's a nice layout, really good view. You're right on the seawall and the boats come flying by. There's a lot of vendors over there. A lot of good vendors I've seen. They're selling shirts and lots of food and knickknacks. So it seems pretty cool over there. But I'm going to take some time to talk about Jasper, Tennessee. October 7th through the 16th, we're going to Tennessee. So the ODBA race is the 7th and 8th. So we're just going to be spectators for that one. But then we're going to river ride the 11th, 12th, and 13th. And then the soda race is the 14th and 15th, which should be a very good turnout. It's a nice race site. There'll be a lot of us racing there. Vendors, everything. Soda does a really good job, so that'll be a really nice one. That's by far the coolest place I've ever rode and watched races at, so I'm excited for that one. If you could make it out to that one, I would highly recommend it.
Alright, started the first day here at Eustace. Got the first class going in the water. Got Charlie and Tristan. Alright, we got Jack Parsh putting in.
up, guys? It's Hunter for Weekends on the Water. I did some fire ups this morning, walk around the pits. We're at Eustace, the soda drag racing. I'm running Formula 1 and Colton's running Formula 1, and we got one other boat in our class, a black Hydra Stream. So we're going to see how it plays out. We've all done some changes. This race site is really cool. It's really nice here. You can see this bridge I'm coming under. So we'll see how it goes. Me and Colton got paired up first. So it's me and him first. I'm going a little untested. We haven't ran the boat side by side since last race, so we'll see what our changes do. Colton got me on the first one. So I got one loss, Colton has one win. Colton and the black Hydra Stream are going up now. get Tristan up on the scales, see what he weighs, so that way we can see what he has to add today or take out, or so he can be within the rules.